All right, so I bought these shoes while I was in a hurry, and I think I must have been wearing super thin socks. So check this out. We've got these laces here, but these laces literally do nothing. Like, as you can see, it is just all joined here. It is meant to be a slip-on. So I was hoping to get these to like wear to the gym, or, you know, just kind of when I'm out and about. But if I have like regular, my everyday socks, I can't actually get my foot in here. So I'm actually going to kind of put this shoehorn to the test. So I ordered this because I just thought this is going to be the only way that's going to make it super easy for me to be able to get these shoes on, because otherwise I have to like stick my fingers in here and it hurts the back of my, well, it hurts my fingers when I'm trying to do it. So it does come with the longer one, and it does come with the smaller one as well. I'm going to be totally honest here. I've never used a shoehorn before, but I was like, this is going to work. So I'm pretty certain that I have to put this in and then kind of slide my heel in, but we're going to try this. This is literally me trying for the very first time. So, okay, so I'm going to go like this. And then I think we go like this, right, to keep that in place. I think it has to, I have to make sure it stays down. And then, oh, stop it. This is the best day ever. I wish someone could feel the struggle I have been going through to get these shoes on, and all I needed was this shoehorn in my life. This is the best thing ever. I'm so pumped.